Hi, I'm here for Mobile Geeks, taking a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which with this iteration might even be the perfect business smartphone. We live in a time where smartphones play a huge role in our daily life and our work life, but the borders between those are getting more and more blurred. For young professionals, businessmen, freelancers and people like me, it means that we have to be available all the time, well organized and be able to do some work on the go. But the smartphone has become our most important tool and companion. But most smartphones are never quite perfect for this task. A phone like the BlackBerry Key 2 offers you great security features, but it's weaker when it comes to battery life, performance and camera compared to others. Alternatives like the OnePlus 6 have big displays, great battery life and great performance, but don't offer you any extra features to support your work. This is where the Note 9 comes in, which not only offers you the latest hardware, being very similar to the S9 Plus, but with the super accurate S Pen and its features, it's a tool that is super versatile. Previous iterations earned the tag almost perfect, but the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with its improvements might actually be perfect. There are a few things that have been greatly improved here compared to the Note 8. Samsung has finally upped the battery capacity to 4000 mAh. That is 700 mAh more than on the Note 8 and should give the battery life a much needed effective boost to cover your entire day. It also got increased storage on the base model, and unlike other manufacturers, they still keep the microSD card slot, so you can easily upgrade it to the configuration you need if you don't like to or can't use the cloud. This slot can alternatively be filled with a second SIM card. The sound has also greatly improved with the stereo speakers, and we still got a good quality headphone jack. Basically, all the cons of the Note 8 together with the repositioned fingerprint reader were addressed here. The dual aperture camera, which is the same as the S9 Plus has, received an update with a new AI feature to improve pictures after analyzing the subject like people, nature, scanning text and more, to take away some of your editing work. It can also detect blinks and blurs and tell you after the shot, so you can reshoot before the moment is over. Most important, however, is the new S Pen with many old and new features. The S Pen is now connected to the phone via Bluetooth and allows you with button press patterns to trigger pictures, control apps and slide through presentations, which you can display on the screen using the included HDMI cable or using the new DeX feature that doesn't need a dock anymore to turn your phone into an Android-driven computer. The S Pen can also be used on the timed exclusive game Fortnite, which launches with the Note 9, where the button can be used as a trigger to shoot and the pen like a mouse for high precision. Many older S Pen features we already covered in our Note 8 video linked in the description, where of course there are more new features. This was a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 being quite an impressive phone. If you remember, we did criticize the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus back then, but even though the Note 9 is more expensive because of the extra value it gives you with the S Pen and being mostly targeted at business users, it's one of the very few phones where the price tag could be justified. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, otherwise the dislike button is right next to it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future Note 9 videos and other videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Emmett for Mobile Geeks.